So let's see the third one, what it is. 1207 divided by 27. So now here we have to make a 27 table. Okay, here we have to make a 27 table. So here I wrote the 27 table. Now we have to see the division. First, see first what it is, 1. So 1 is very small. So now I am taking the second digit 2. So here I get the number 12. Is it 12 is there in 27 table? No. And 12 is very small. Yes, it's smaller than 27. So for the 12 we have to divide by 0. So 12 minus 0 is what? 12 only. 12 minus 0 is 12. Now I am taking the next digit 0. Now I am taking the next digit 0. Now we get the number which one? 120. Is it 120 is there in 27 table? Yes, is it 120 is there in 27 table? No. Yes, but less than 120 is there. 108. So on which place it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. On fourth place. 108. So now we have to do the subtraction. So here 120 minus 108. Yes. So 0 is there. So we have to borrow 1. So 10. 10 minus 2 is 2. Again return it. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 120 minus 108 is what it is? 12. So again one digit remains 7. So now I am taking this 7 to the downside. So here we get the number which one? 127. 127. Is it 127 is there in 27 table? Yes. No. But less than 127 is which one? Again 108 only. Less than 127 is which one? 108 only. On which place it is? Fourth place. So divide by 4. Divide by 4. So 27 4s are what it is? 108. 27 4s are what it is? 108. So minus 108. So this subtraction also you have to do. If you are unable to do here, you can write it aside and then do the subtraction. 127 minus 108. 7 minus 8 is not possible. So what is the subtraction here we get? That is 19. Okay. So is it again next numbers are there? No. So here we complete. So here we have to stop it now. Understood? So what is the answer? Quotient is 44 and remainder is 19. Understood everyone? So first thing you have to make a table properly without any mistake. Yes. Then and then only you get the correct answer. Just you have to check the number and observe in a table. Is it that number is there or not? And if it is not there, you have to check the less than that number. Yes, less than that number, and that number you have to take for division. Understood everyone? So now let's see the fourth one. So see the fourth one. 8543 divided by 41. Yes, 8543 divided by 41. So here we have to make a 41 table. So here I wrote the 41 table. So let's see the how to solve it. Now first digit is what? 8. First digit is what? 8. But 8 is small. So now I am taking the second digit 5. So here we get the number 85. Yes, 85 is bigger than 41. Now check in 41 table. Is it 85 is there in 41 table? Yes, is it 85 is there? No. But less than 85? Yes, 82 is there. Less than 85, 82 is there. On which place it is? Second place. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. So 41 2s are what it is? 41 2s are 82. So that we have to minus. That we have to minus. So 5 minus 2 is what it is? 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we have to take the third digit, 4 it is. So here what we get the number? 34. What we get the number? 34. Is it 34 is there in 41 table? Yes. Is it 34 is there in 41 table? No. Why? Because 34 is smaller than 41. 34 is smaller than 41. So for that smaller number we have to divide by 0. For that smaller number we have to divide by 0. So now 34 minus 0 is 34 only. 34 minus 0 is 34 only. Now we have to take the third digit. Okay, the last digit is 3. We have to take down that 3. Okay, so here what it is, 343. So here we get the number 343. Is it 343 is there in 41 table? Yes. Is it 343 is there in 41 table? No. But less than that, what it is? Less than 343 is what it is? 328. Yes. Less than 343 is which one? 328. On which place it is? 8th place. On which place it is? 8th place. So 41 8s are. 41 8s are what it is? 328. 41 8s are 328. So minus 328. So that subtraction we have to do. If you are unable to do that subtraction, do it aside. So here we get the subtraction. So what is the answer? 15. So here answer is 15. Reminder. What it is? It is reminder. So what is the quotient is 208. Remainder is 15. Understood everyone this subtraction? Yes. So see it properly. You have to write first table. Then you have to do the division. In division, see, check the number properly in a table. Then that number you have to subtraction. Then take down the next digit downside. Again you have to make a new number and again you have to check in a table. Then do the subtraction. Like that steps are there for a division. Understood everyone? So here we complete that fourth one. So here we complete the from problem set 15 from question 1. We have completed the first 4 examples. Now this 5th and 6th one. Yes. Now that 5th and 6th one same like that before examples only. So you have to try to solve yourself. Answer I will tell. Okay, in a next period. Their answer I will tell in a next period. Then you check is it your answer is correct or not. So but you have to try to solve yourself. So now in your CW on new page write down the heading problem set 15. Then write down the question 1 and solve these all 4 examples. And after all these 4 examples you have to solve 5th and 6th one to yourself for your practice. Understood everyone? And this answer of 5th one and 6th one I will tell in a next period. Then you check your answer. Understood everyone? And again when these all complete, again the same examples you have to solve in your book for your practice. Understood everyone? Okay. So these all are the today's parts. I think everyone have understood the division. When you are doing the practice, then and then only it is easy for you. So practice that division examples. Everyone. Understood everyone? Okay. Thank you.